G'day. Up until about 5 weeks ago I was putting out videos on a weekly basis, but I haven't put one out since late September. So I thought I'd put a video together explaining what's coming up and what's going on. I've got a couple of lathes that are misbehaving. One's got problems with backlash in the ball screw in the X direction, the Z direction, and the other one is putting the tool above center, so the turret needs playing with to fix this problem. As you can see there, it's really not good. Now I've put one video out using this pawn shape, trying to do it using 3 different parting inserts, but I didn't get very far because I was doing it wrong basically. So there's a shape that I did manage to achieve. Also, while doing it, I managed to find a way to record a video with the canopy down. It's not terribly clear, but it's just with an iPhone sitting on top of the canopy. I will try and take that somewhat further. Here's a simulation of a globe, which is at the top of the pawn. And you can see there the point is doing the cutting, going round the sphere. And this way, in this direction too, it's cutting with the point. I've written a few programs for a friend, and this method is the only way we were able to stop the chatter. If you do it the way it's showing now, you can get chatter at that point there, because if you can see, it's the flat of the tool which is starting to do the cutting, not the point. So it's quite broad and it's very easy to get chatter. So it doesn't work terribly well. So I now always do a globe that way. Also, I was getting the shift wrong for the 2 sides of the globe. Should have been 1.6. I was using 2mm because that's the width of the insert. I didn't realise at the time that 1.6 is the amount of flat on the front because of the 0.2 rad each side. This is a diamond insert. I've never used one before, and I'm going to make a video turning some 80 diameter aluminium. I've got lots of that. I'll need to do 4000 RPM for the diamond insert, which is I'll have to gear the lathe up a bit to get 4000 out of it. But I've got a lot of aluminium scrap because someone I know ordered 80 diameter instead of 90. I've also bought some acrylic to machine, but I could only afford 40 diameter because 80 diameter was going to cost something horrendous, like about $150 or something. So we'll only get 500 meters a minute, but we'll see what happens. I also want to do a video comparing this $25 including inserts parting tool with my own parting tools. I've heard it works quite well. That's the insert under a microscope. The edge looks like it's a run of weld to me, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. No idea how it works at this point. These are my parting tools that I'll be comparing it with. All of these are horribly expensive, but I must admit I don't regret a single cent that I spent on them. So we'll see how we go getting the videos done. Thank you for watching.